फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और आज हम अपनी जीके की इस वीडियो के अंदर अक्टूबर मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। राइट, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, पर्सन इन न्यूज़। रिसेंटली रीवा गांगुली दास was appointed by the government as the Secretary East in the Ministry of External Affairs. She is the High Commissioner to the which country? Bangladesh. Next, recently who has been appointed by Tata AIA Life Limited as its Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer? Naveen Kalyani. Next, recently Michel Martin has been elected as the new Prime Minister of which country? Ireland. Recently who has been given the additional charges of Madhya Pradesh as its governor? Anandiben Patel. Next, recently who has taken over the new Inspector General of BSF South Bengal Frontier? Ashwini Kumar Singh. Next, recently Lazarus Chakwera was become the new president of which country? Malawi. Recently, Kudni Thompson Johnson has been re-elected as the president of which country? Iceland. Next, recently who has taken charges as the new chief executive officer of Central Board of Films Certification? Ravinder Bhakar. Recently, who has taken charges as the new chairman of Indian Oil Corporation? Shrikant Mahadev Vidya. Next, recently who has been taken over the new director of state-owned gas utility GAIL India Limited? E.S. Ranganathan. Next, recently Edouard Philippe has resigned from his post. He was the Prime Minister of which country? France. Recently, Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as the President of which country? Poland. Recently, Padma Shri award-winning veteran Gujarati journalist, communist writer and political analyst Nagindas Shangvi has passed away. In which year he was awarded by the Padma Shri? 2019. Next section is award section. First of all, recently who has honored with President Award in Singapore for nurses for serving on front line during the COVID-19 pandemic? Kala Narayan Swamy. Recently, NTPC Limited has been awarded with the prestigious CII ITC Sustainability Award 2019. Who is the chairman and MD of NTPC? Is Gurdeep Singh. Next, recently which IIT has developed an ultraviolet UV sanitizing device named Smartphone Operated Handley Ultraviolet Disinfection Helper? Shuddh, IIT Kanpur. Next, recently who has won the 2020 Dada Saheb Phalke Award for the documentary named Chai Lupo? Kizang D. Thongdok. Recently who has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award of Mohan Bagan Athletic Club? Ashok Kumar. Recently who has been awarded by the Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity? Greta Thunberg. Next, recently who has been conferred with his first Professor P.C. Malanobois Award in Official Statistics for Lifetime Achievements? C. Rangaranjan. Next section is scheme and launches. Recently, the Khadi and Village Industry Commission KVIC launched its first footwear training center in which city? New Delhi. Recently, in which city Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda inaugurated Symposium on Handicraft? Shillong. Recently, who has launched the web portal of Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan? Narendra Singh Tomar. Recently, who has been inaugurated Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan, the largest employment generating program in the country? Narendra Modi. Next, recently Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana has been extended till which month? Till which month? 44,136. Next, recently how much amount was approved by NABARD to Andaman and Nicobar Islands? 44 lakhs. Recently, the Ministry of Shipping has approved rupees 107 crore for the modern firefighting facility in Haldia Dock complex of which port? Kolkata port. Recently, Minister for Power, New and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh inaugurated India's first public electric vehicle charging plaza in which city? New Delhi. Next, recently which state government has launched a relief scheme Nikara Samman Yojana for weavers Karnataka? Recently, which state government has launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for all round development of scheduled caste, Uttar Pradesh? Recently, which state government has included transgender community under the Madhubhau Pension Yojana, Odisha? Recently, which state UT cabinet was approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana, Delhi? Next, recently, which state launched Balram scheme to provide credit to 7 lakh landless farmers, Odisha? Next section is national and state news. Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu, and which organization has signed an agreement for the two projects of worth 250 million dollar World Bank? Recently, the 36th edition of biannual ASEAN Summit 2020 was held by video conferencing. Which country? Vietnam. Next, recently the government of India has declared the entire Nagaland as a disturbed area for how many months? 6 months. Recently, which IIT has developed an artificial intelligence based deep learning tool for detection of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images? IIT Gandhinagar. Next, the Defense Acquisition Council DAC has recently approved a proposal to acquire how many new fighter aircraft from Russia? 33. Recently, which Indian Institute of Technology has started a startup which has developed a portable hospital? IIT Madras. Which state or UT Union Territory has launched the portal named as a Rozgar Bazaar? Recently? Delhi. Next, recently the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India has signed tripartite MOU with which IIT and Vijnana Bharati under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan of Ministry of Human Resource Development, IIT Delhi. Recently, who was named by the United Nations chief to the new advisory group? Archana Sorang. Recently, the Power of Finance Corporation FPFC, a PSU under the Ministry of Power, has signed an agreement with which IIT for training, research and entrepreneurship development in the smart grid technology? IIT Kanpur. Next, recently, which Union Ministry inaugurated CII National Digital Conference on Ease of Doing Business for Atmanirbhar Bharat? Piyush Goyal. Recently, which country has launched the underground ballistic missile during the Great Prophet 14 military exercise? Iran. Next, which districts of Chhattisgarh had topped the list of aspirational district in overall Delta ranking by government think tank Niti Aayog for the February-June 2020 period? Bijapur. Recently, Coal India has tied up with NLC India Limited to develop solar and thermal power asset. Who is the chairman and MD of the Coal India? Pramod Agrawal. Recently, the Indian Coast Guard and which country Coast Guard have signed MOU to boost maritime maritime relations? Indonesia. Recently, Digital Hath platform has been launched by which country? Bangladesh. Recently, Prime Minister has inaugurated 750 megawatt Asia's largest solar power plant in which city? Riva. Recently, Rajnath Singh has inaugurated how many bridges in the border areas close to line of control LOC in Jammu Kashmir? 6. Recently, which Union Minister has launched the plotting of paperless national transit pass system? Prakash Javadekar. Recently, which institute has developed Valley Band for ensuring the social distancing? IIM Kozhikode. Recently, MECA administration program was launched by which state or union territory to improve the roads? Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has become the first state in India where 100% household have LPG gas connection? Himachal Pradesh. Next section is from international current affairs. Indian Weightlifting Federation IWF has recently banned the use of equipment of which country? China. Recently, who has chaired the 49th Governing Council meeting of National Productivity Council? Piyush Goyal. According to S&P Global Rating, what will be the India's GDP growth in 2020? 0.05%. Who has been honored with the top publicist award in the Global Humanitarian Award 2020 recently? Sachin Avasthi. Next, what is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the world's richest person list as per Bloomberg Billionaires Index released in the July 14, 2026? What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani in the world's richest person list as a per Huron's Research? Fifth. Recently, India has signed agreement with which country to expand their collaboration in dealing with cyber threats? Israel. Recently, Pakistan and which country has signed agreement for the 700 megawatt Azad Pathan Hydel project power project on the Jhelum River in Sudoti district of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, China. What is the rank of India in the Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2023? Recently, which country teamed up with India for a joint investment project in the Asian Africa, Russia? Recently, SpaceX has successfully launched the first military satellite, Anasis 2nd, of which country? South Korea. Indian Navy has conducted a passage exercise, PASEX, a high-end joint naval exercise with which country in the Indian Ocean? USA. Recently, which country was granted observer status by the World Trade Organization General Council? Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan. According to the annual report from UK-based Comparatech, which Indian city has ranked 16th among world's top 20 surveilled cities? Hyderabad. Under the World Health Organization anti-tuberculosis program, India extended medical assistance worth $1 million to which country recently? North Korea. Next, current news from section of financial awareness. Recently, Intel Capital has brought how much equity stake in Reliance Jio? 0.0039%. Which country has become the largest foreign direct investor in the UK in 2019? United States. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India has signed the agreement for extending our $400 million currency swap faculty to which country? Sri Lanka. Recently, which bank has joined hands with Unicon for the omni-channel security? Bank of Maharashtra. Recently, how much amount was approved by the Asian Development Bank to India from its Asia Pacific Disaster Response Fund to further support the government's emergency response to COVID-19 pandemic? USA dollar 3 million. Recently, digital wallet company Movic has launched MPay Me UIP link service that allows users to send and receive money from UPI payment app, which is the headquarters of the Movic located Gurugram. Recently, IRTCT was launched a co-branded contactless credit card on the RuPay platforms with which bank? State Bank of India. Recently, which bank has launched a digital solution loan in the seconds for the instant disbursement of retail loans? Yes Bank. Bhavishya saving account has been launched by which payment bank recently? Fino Payments Bank Limited. World Bank to provide how much amount to enhance the support of rejuvenating River Ganga? $400 million. Recently, which private sector bank has entered into a partnership with the Star Health and Allied Insurance Corporation to provide a wide range of health insurance options to its customer? Karur Visaya Bank. Recently, which bank partnered with MasterCard to facilitate the real-time domestic and cross-border payments and remittance through MasterCard Send? SBM Bank. Recently, which IIT has tied up with a multinational technology company NVIDIA to establish India's first NVIDIA AI Technology Center? NVITC, IIT Hyderabad. Recently, Visa has tied up with the which bank to launch Visa Secure to the bank cash holder? Federal Bank. Now, next section from sports section. Recently, former footballer Mario Gomes has announced his retirement from the sport. He is related to which country? Germany. Footballer Mile Jedinak has announced his retirement from the sport. He is related to which country? Australia. Recently, Bradley has been signed by Sports Adda as the brand ambassador. Bradley is related to which sport? Cricket. FIFA World Cup 2020 will be organized in which country? Qatar. Recently, who has won the Formula One Hungarian Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton. Recently, World Cup winner Andre Scroll has announced the retirement from the football. He is related to which country? Germany. Recently, Leicester City's striker Jamie Vardy has bagged the Premier League's Golden Boot football award. He is related to which country? England. Recently, who has become the India's 66 chess grandmaster? G. Akash. Recently, who has won the Formula One season opening Australian Grand Prix? Valtteri Bottas. Recently, Andrew Dimon was suspended for doping in July 2020. He is associated with which sport? Weightlifting. Who has been won the Stein Grand Prix 2020 has a Red Bull Ring in the Austria? Lewis Hamilton. The fourth edition of the Khelo Indian Youth Game will be hosted by the which state? Haryana. Next section from the science and technology. Recently, which country has conducted a successful flight test of the MGTD-20 gas turbine 3D printed aircraft engine? Russia. Recently, which country has launched a new commercial telecommunication satellite APSTR 60 by a Long March 3B carrier rocket from the southwestern Xiang Satellite Launch Center, China? Recently, which IIT has developed the world's most affordable COVID-19 diagnostic kit? Crossover, IIT Delhi. Recently, which country has successfully launched Tianwen its first independent mission to Mars? China. Next, recently a mission titled La Hope has been launched to Mars by the which country? United Arab Emirates. Recently, which IIT has developed a rapid diagnostic device to detect the COVID-19 infection within a 1 hour? IIT Kharagpur. Recently, which country has launched a new high-resolution mapping satellite Yuan 3rd 03 from Shaanxi, China? Recently, who has launched the Indian first social media super application Element? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Recently, Unisavior, a disinfection box, has been developed by the research of which IIT? Roorkee. Recently, which country has successfully launched OFAC 16 spy satellite into space? Israel. Now the section is miscellaneous section. Government of India celebrated National Statistics Day on which date? On the birth anniversary of Professor P.C. Mahalbos, 29th June. On the birth and death anniversary of Vidyan Chandra Roy, National Doctors Day is celebrated in India every year on which date? 1st July. Recently, who has been virtually released a book titled Future of Higher Education 9 Megatrends? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Which edition of the Foundation Day of NABARD was celebrated on July 20th, 2020, 39th? Every year, World Youth Skill Day is celebrated in which state? 15th July. Every year, World Day for the International Justice observed in which date? 17th July. Every year, World Class Chess Day is observed by United Nations in which date? 20th July. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed every year on which date? 26th July. Which edition of the Racing Day of Central Reserve Police Force was observed 27th July 2020? 82. Every year, World Hepatitis Day is observed by the World Health Organization on which date? 20th July. Which country has celebrated its 55th Independence Day on 26 July? Maldives. Dharmchakra Day was celebrated by the International Buddhist Confederation under the aegis of Ministry of Culture on the which date? 4th July. Next section is who and designation. First of all, Chairman of Rajya Sabha Venkaiah Naidu, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, Chairman of Niti Aayog Narendra Das Modi, Leader of Opposition in the Rajya Sabha Ghulam Nabi Azad, Leader of House in Lok Sabha Narendra Das Modi, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha none of these. Next, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora, Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar Sushil Chandra, Director General of IDBP SS Deshwal, Chief Vigilance Commissioner Sanjay Kothari, Foreign Secretary Harsh Vardhan Shringla, Comptroller and Auditor General of India CAG GC Murmu, Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Center S Somanath. Next, Chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India R. S. Sharma, CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla, Chairman of National Commission of Scheduled Tribes Nand Kumar Sai, Chairman of National Commission of Minorities Syed Gurayal Hassan Razvi, Chairman of UPSC Pradeep Kumar Joshi, Director General National Investigation Agency YC Modi, Chairman of Space Commission and ISRO KC1, Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission and Secretary Department of Atomic Energy KN Vyas, Chairman of SSC Brajraj Sharma, Chairman of National Human Rights Commission Justice HL Dutt, next Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India Vivek Joshi, next General Chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes Pramod Chandra Modi, Chairman of Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India Subhash Chandra Kuntia, Chairman of Security and Exchange Board of India Ajay Tyagi, Chairman of State Bank of India Rajneesh Kumar, India's permanent representative in UNO T.S. Tirumurti, Home Secretary of India Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chairperson of Indian National Commission of Women Rekha Sharma, Chairman of 15th Finance Commission N.K. Singh, Chairman of Competition Commission of India Ashok Kumar Gupta, Chairperson of Central Board of Film Certification Prashun Joshi. Next, President of ASSOCHAM Niranjan Hardyani, Chairperson of NASSOCOM UB Praveen Rao, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Air Staff Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria, Chief of Naval Staff Admiral Karamveer Singh, Chief of Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narvane, Chief of RAW Samant Goyal, Director Bhabha Atomic Research Center A.K. Monty, National Commission for Scheduled Caste Ram Shankar Kotaria, President of FICCI Shangita Reddy, Chairperson of 21st Law Commission Dr. Justice B.S. Chauhan, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Chairperson of Prasar Bharati Dr. Surya Prakash, DG of National Testing Agency Vineet Joshi, Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey, Chairperson of Indian Banking Association Rajneesh Kumar. This is updated from date on 9th September 2020. Next, abbreviations. NEP National Education Policy, SVAYEM Swami Vivekanand Assam Youth Empowerment Yojana, HSTDV Hypersonic Technology Demonstrator Vehicle, SEPI Coalition for Pandemic Preparedness Innovation, DPIIT Department for the Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, ITA All India Tennis Association, BRAP Business Reform Action Plan, IFFI International Film Festival of India. Importance, day and dates: 1st of October International Day of Older Persons, 2nd October International Day for Non-Violence, 5th October World Teachers Day, 9th October World Post Day, 11th October International Day for the Girl Child, 15th October International Day for the Rural Woman, 16th October World Food Day, 24th October United Nations Day, or 31st October World Cities Day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.